There's a quiet upgrade homeowners are making right now. It's not just solar panels anymore. Homeowners are now combining solar plus battery backup plus EV charging at home into one integrated system. And this isn't just a tech upgrade, it's a lifestyle shift. Why are people doing this? Because they're tired of uncertainty. No surprise electricity bills that jump every month, no fuel price spikes affecting their budget, no stress during power outages. They want stability, predictability, control. So instead of relying 100% on the grid, they're building their own energy system at home, a roof generating electricity from sunlight, a battery quietly storing extra power, an EV charging overnight in your garage. Everything works together seamlessly. This isn't just about saving money anymore. It's about removing dependence on unpredictable energy systems, and it's already happening. So what's stopping you from switching to energy independence right now? If you're curious how much solar can actually save your home, get a free solar savings estimate from solarSME today.